While you can't really speed up your nail growth, with proper care, you can ensure that they grow as long as possible in 5 days. To keep your nails from breaking and chipping, apply a nail hardener to strengthen them. Wear gloves while working with your hands or washing the dishes. Wearing gloves in harsh weather will also help your nails from drying out. Eat a balanced diet to help your nails grow long and strong, and consider taking a biotin supplement if your doctor recommends it. You can also keep your nails in good shape with proper daily care. Moisturize your hands and nails regularly. Trim away tears and rough edges, and file your nails into a rounded shape so they're less likely to snag and tear. Massage your cuticles to improve blood flow to the nail bed, and always soften them by soaking them in warm, soapy water before pushing them back.